Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is iQOO Z9s 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn and see how back camera quality is. Okay, see, I go to camera and it is in back camera. It is in photo mode. I am taking a photo. Okay, yeah, I am taking this photo. See the photo quality. Yes. See. Also see other photos that I have taken using this back camera. Okay, see. This is another one. See, this is another one. See here. Lot of samples are taken using this. So for this price it is okay, I think. Okay, somewhat better other than other makes like Oppo, Samsung, etc. Okay, even compared to Vivo it's good. Okay, you can yourself decide the quality, and if you would like to if you would like to use your phone for specifically camera purpose, then you can purchase this phone. Okay, that's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.